Days after ninth round of talks between farmers and the centre failed to yield the breakthrough, farmer leaders are going to be holding an internal meeting to chalk out their next move. The internal meeting is coming in the backdrop of the ninth round of talks with the centre on Friday, wherein the government proposed forming an informal group with members from both sides. Centre, while urging farm unions to take legal route, made it clear that it will not roll back 3 farm laws until Supreme Court deems the laws illegal. However, farmers remain adamant on their demand of withdrawal of the laws and have refused to take legal route, terming it a long process. The next round of talks between farmers and centre is slated to take place on 15th of January.
सरकार की मंशा हमें कल दिख गई कि सरकार बिल वापस करना नहीं चाहती है और किसान नहीं चाहता है कि ये हमारे लिए बिल बने हैं, वो हम नहीं चाहते ये बिल रहें। हम चाहते हैं बिल को रद्द किया जाए, उसके बाद बैठ के स्वामीनाथन आयोग की रिपोर्ट लागू करें, किसान आयोग का गठन करें और एमएसपी की ये गारंटी हो कि इस पर सारा अनाज चाहे सरकार खरीदे चाहे प्राइवेट खरीदे तो इससे नीचे नहीं खरीदेंगे। इतनी सी बात है।
आज लगभग 50 दिन हो गए किसानों को दिल्ली में बैठे हुए यहाँ पे, लेकिन सरकार है जो अपनी ही मनमानी कर रही है। उसने बार बार जो मीटिंगें कर रहे हैं किसानों के साथ, सिर्फ उनको कह रहे हैं कि कानून तो रद्द नहीं होंगे, कानून तो रद्द नहीं होंगे। तो लगता नहीं है कि ये देश में कोई लोकतांत्रिक मूल्य हैं।
Inhuman attitude of the government is ignoring their pain, their difficulties, their demands. So that because of that is going on as 46 days. If there is 1% humanity in the government, they could at least look at the suffering of the human people, of his own citizen, the human and suffering of their own citizen. They are not looking at it.
Ashutosh Mishra now joins us live. He's been tracking the story in much detail, getting us all the ground reactions from the farmers as well. Ashutosh, I'm throwing straight across to you. You're at the Singhu border where the meeting is just about to start. What are we picking up at this point of time? Has the meeting begun? If yes, what all is likely to be discussed?
So in 5 to 10 minutes, the meeting will start. They are all waiting for Rakesh Tikait, the farmer leader who's agitating and who's leading the agitation at Delhi's Gazipur border. The farmers from Tikri border have also arrived. Moreover, they have also called jathas from different states, including the women farmers and their family members. So one team has already left from Fatehabad. So that's exactly the strategy, is to mobilize more and more support, including the farmers, their family members. And as we see, every day the number of those agitating farmers is rising, at least here at the Delhi Singhu border, and so is the police arrangement, be it the paramilitary or the Delhi police. Now when it comes to the meeting, this meeting has been called to strategize it further. We have seen their strength show, we have seen their parade, we have seen the 9 rounds of meeting with the government, which has been inconclusive so far. Neither the government is ready to step back nor the farmers. The government say they are not going to repeal the laws. Farmers saying nothing less than is accepted. So the next strategy is to get out governor houses. As they say, the different states, it is again, the strategy to mount pressure on the government. So on 23rd January, they will be marching to the governor houses, and that strategy to get out the governor houses. At the same time, there will be a women farmers protest across the country as these farmers are planning. Moreover, since the government and the ecosystem has been saying that these protests are restricted in the state of Punjab and Haryana, the next strategy is to take this battle on the streets in every state capitals, from small town to the villages to everywhere. So that's one strategy. Also, the memorandum submitting and all these protests we have already seen have been happening for last 1.5 months. That's why the farmers are sitting here. This meeting is only to chalk out one design, that how they can not only escalate the protest but also mount more and more pressure on the government. We have seen the MPs in UK, also giving a memorandum asking the government and Boris Johnson to take this call to the Indian counterpart. So clearly not just one strategy, different way, everything that farmers can do with the help of their relatives, with the help of their family members and also the community. It is only the strategy to mobilize support, mobilize more and support and put a pressure on the government so that they can succeed into their aim, which is, that's exactly why they're here, let the government repeal the laws. But will that happen? Yes, that's uncertain for now.
Absolutely. So we'll come back to you once those talks progress. Thank you, Ashutosh, for joining us for the very latest that is coming in from the Singhu border.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.